Hello guys! Today, magpaput up kami ng mga ang tawag dito? Nadumihan siya. Lilinisan ko na lang mamaya. May mattress siya for the kids. Malaki din pala siya. Akala ko maliit lang siya. Kasi usually, maliit lang yung ganito. Pero malaki din pala. Paano nagkasya dun sa sasakyan nila? Malis na. Paano nagkasya sa sasakyan nila? Nakapakya na si Jonathan. Ito sa sasakyan nila. Kasi yung sasakyan nila, hindi naman malaki. Nasaan na yung asawa ko? Wala na. Wala na yung asawa ko. Saan na napunta yung asawa ko? Hindi na naman nila kinidnap. Binigyan nila 2,000. Okay. Yan na siya. Oh. Kunti na lang kasi ito na lang gagawin mamaya. Ayusin ko muna tong mga higaan. Tanggalin ko yung mga higaan. Para dito na yung mga bata-matan. Tatanggalin ko na to. Gusto ko pa rin matulog dito. Pero siguro ang gagawin ko, i-move ko lang yung iba muna. Mamimiss ko yung tabi-tabi kaming tapat. Papasana kaso nga lang si Ella makulit na. Gusto niya nang big car. Thank you sa nagbigay sa amin nito si ate sa taas. Ayan. Kain tayo. Ayan. Soup. Tapos may niluluto pa ako doon. Yung mga pinigay sa akin. Ayan. Ito. Kutsinta. Saka minudo. Pang bukas. 3 days na pagkain namin. 3 days na food pala to. 3 days na food. Hindi siya 2 days lang. 3 days. Pang 3 days. Tapos meron pang balot. Kaso nga lang yung balot ubos na. Hindi ko na mapakita kasi kinain ko kagabi. So kain tayo. May bed na si Ella. Papakita namin ang bed ni Ella. Tantararan! Ayan na yung bed ni Ella. Show them what you have in your bed. Kasi ito bang bed to. Kaso nga lang yung nawawala yung mga niya. Kaya bukas bibilhan namin. Oh, yan siya. Antay yung higaan. Andun yung higaan ko to. Dito. Mga anak ko at mga mababait sila ngayon. What happened, Michael? Naguhugas si Ella. And si Michael is, anong nangyayari kay Michael? How you dance? Pati yung sayo mo? Show me. Play. Sige, galing Oh, ano yan, Ella? Sandali si kuya mo nagda-dance. Break dance. Inom ka muna, Michael. Drink. Kasi si Ella gusto ng another. Magastos ka naman sa sabon, anak. Ako na lang kailangan ko lang humingi ng tulong para masanay siya kahit na hindi, ang tawag dito, hindi maayos yung paglinis niya. Para masanay siya na maglinis-linis. Ano yun, Michael? Are you full? Yes. Okay then. I'm cooking now. I have fish. May fish ako dito, anak. May fish kasi akong niluto. Nagluluto ako. Tapos meron akong egado. Oh, are you okay, Ella?
I've done a lot. I actually get more faster.
Is it?
Than a cheetah.
Ooh. Wait.
Mama.
Ano yan? Ang dami ng sabon.
When you hear the wind blow behind your back, that means you're too fast and you're doing like super speed.
So you're so fast.
I want to wash it because I have.
You want to wash now? Oh, come on, wash it. No, wash first your hand. Wash your hand first. Wash your hand first. Ella, wash your hand first. Sandali. I'm coming. Dali. And more. Wash your hand first. Para hindi nasa si Mama.
I'm like going.
Si Ella naman nandito rin.
The flower.
Oh, wait, I'm coming. Oh, this is arranged ni Ella, yung flower. I showed the flower that you arranged.
Mommy,
Ano, wait. Ano? Wait till I'm coming. Ano yun? Ano na namang dance mo?
Like that.
Ah, tapos slow. Tapos fast. Video. Si Ella nag-arrange. No, this one needs to wash now. Ah, you want to do that? Nag-arrange na
I
si
said,
Ella
pull
ng...
out and put you when I run slowly.
Slowly? Hindi. Fast? Oh, mga anak ko, sobrang sipag nila. Yeah. Sobrang sipag ng mga anak ko, ah. Sana laging ganyan. Tapos, pakita pala natin yung ano. Pakita ko. What's that? So, ang dinner namin today. Ayan, binigay sa akin ni ate sa taas. Yung kapitbahay namin lagi nagbibigay. Shout out ate. Tapos, itong rice namin. Tapos, fish. Tapos, ito. Ano nang tawag nito? Nasa ito. Nalimutan ko naman ng tawag. Ayan siya, oh. Oh, may party sila. Oh, wow. Look at that. At the back of Bella. At the back of Bella. Ella, look at your back. Behind you.
It's time to go, honey.
Yeah, I know. Wow. Party. Ayusin namin yung double deck mamaya sa taas. Tapos nagtitiklop ako para malinis dito. Oh, wow. Tapos ayusin natin lahat ng mga laruan nila. Kailangan ng mag-declutter. Wow.
Wait a minute. Look.
Ang ganda. Oh, wow.
It's Michael. Look up.
Look at that top again.
Your back.
Ella is shining, man. Shiny. Si Ella pala nandito sa tabi ko. Saka si Payatot. Si Kawayan.
Where's my blue transformer?
What? I don't know. Saan mo nilagay? Baka nasa sitting room. Sa sala. Ella, Michael. Yung kilikili mo. I don't know. Where did you put it? It's not here.
I found it.
You found it? Sige, Payatot.
This transformer can transform into a car.
You're watching Transformer?
Yes. Because transformers are like very cool.
Really?
Actually, look at this.
Yeah.
Transformers can actually transform
Mm-hmm.
into a car
Mm-hmm.
or a truck.
Wow.
But actually, you know that transformers can put gun in there.
Mm-hmm.
And when they transform,
Yeah.
they actually,
Become a robot?
yes.
Ooh, may I see the robot?
Yeah, but I can show you what I found.
What is that?
It's a 7 gun.
Mm-hmm. And then where you put it? You know? Ah.
The transformer has like this
Yes.
picture on the golden piece, but
Mm.
it's gone. So I'll
Mm.
show you the video of doing actually.
Yeah.
Now,
Ang ginagawa mo dyan?
orange.
Pagganyan natin. Pagganyan?
What is this color?
What color is it?
This color. What color? Green, orange.
Next, ano yun? Aray ko. What's that, Ella? Yes.
Mama.
Mm-hmm. Ano yan? Ah, yung pit mo. Give it this to Ella, please. Because she wants the pit. Pit bite.
No, I'm not trying to mine.
Your animal. Oh yeah, we need that bit. I'll help you. Because I'm a nice wife. Why you need to say I hope so? But I am. And always I am. Always like an angel. What? For you. Yeah.
Hell's Angel.
Ah? Yeah, round. Good job. Oh, wow. It is getting better. Wow. Okay. Good. Go back. Yes, so you need to use to it. May tinuturuan sila mag-pipe. Ella, gamitin mo yung bike mo so that when we go to school, you can use your bike. Yeah? Ah? Yeah, that's why you need to learn to bike. It's doing well.
You put your foot, not that part of the foot, that's it, that part of the foot on there, and that part of the foot on there, like that. Now go on, put your hands on it, I'll move that around its feet.
Yeah.
Or do you
Go.
want it around that, or I'll put it around, there you go, like that, there you go.
Okay, go, Michael.
Hand on the finger.
Yeah.
Get your hand off, like that, alright?
It's okay now. Oh, good. Don't push too much, honey. Party, party. Party, party. Ang ganda ng ano. Gustong-gusto niya yung mga shimmering. Ilang araw na siya nagsusot ng shimmering. Wait, open it. We need to open a bit. This is the shimmering. Can you? Is it? Oh no, I think we need to put it down a bit so we can see the shimmering. Oh, it looks a party, isn't it? You like it? Party, party. Party, party. Ayos namin bang bed. Ako ang taga-screw. Screw, wag lang ma-screw. Sorry. Kakasabi ko lang. Wag lang ma-screw. Sandali tayo. Naayos namin, Michael, yung aming bed. Ito yung... Paano ba ibibidyo to? Pag ano natin, ilayo pa natin. Oh, ay hindi. Wait Michael, para makita tayo kung anong ginagawa natin. Ayan, nasa inyo isa. Kamagulo Paano kasi sabi ko sa iyo yung isang paa dito, isang paa doon para hindi ka nahihirapan.
Yes.
Dadalawa na nga lang kami ni Michael nag-aayos. Ma-screw natin para maano yung bed nila.
I think I'm going to go under then.
Yeah. Be careful, anak, Hindi kasi yung ulo mo kasi I will do it, Michael. Sandali. Andahin ko. Pwede na yata ako magtapak dito I think just move. I'll just stay in the... No, I'm going on the top. Yes.
I will actually have to screw.
Paano ba to? Hindi kasi kailangan natin umakyat. Kaso nga lang, papaayos muna natin yung ano. Tapos ko ng... Si Ella kumakanta. Later again, Michael, because I cannot do that. Daddy will do it. Don't worry. Mawala pa yan. Wait. Si Ella umaano. Pate. Kami naglaba ko ng mga punda. Ito na. Ella, yung bed niya.
Get one.
Si Michael.
Get one, Michael.
Yan.
Fire the carrot.
Happy?
Fire the carrot.
No, don't do that, Michael. Is that nice? Hello, dito kami sa car. Ano yung hawak mo, Michael? Tingnan niyo yung ano ko, na ano ako kagabi.
I want some chocolate.
I want some chocolate?
No, I can't.
Tignan mo yung mukha mo, puro chocolate na lang. Yung ilong ko, kagabi, sinara yung pintuan ng asawa ko dun sa CR namin.
Mama.
Hindi ko kasi sinasara yun Dire-diretso ako nang iihi ako. Dami nangyayari. Oh, wow!
I can't eat that.
How about you, Michael? What are you doing? Can you show me the Pokemon? Dami nangyayari dito sa sasakyan.
This is a Pokemon. I have to eat this.
Cute.
Put it here, Mom. This is going to be a
What's that?
Pokemon bag.
That is dirty. Just hold it.
Put in a bin and then...
Yeah, give it to me. I will put in a bin.
No, no. The bin is gone, see?
No, I have a bin in here. And si Michael, mga busy kami dito. Oh. Namalingki kasi kami. Tapos ako naman. Flower.
I have a becker.
Huh? Meron ka? Oh, ano meron ka? Bad girl.
Look at John.
Yeah.
And then
Ang dumi ni Ella.
Mom.
Dami nangyayari sa sasakyan.